Hello Japanese woodblock print enthusiasts and collectors. Today I'm going to be unboxing some prints that I won from an eBay auction. And as I mentioned before, eBay is kind of hit and miss as far as quality goes. So let's see what we have. Holiday wrapping paper. And from a first glance at that print, it doesn't look very good. Different kinds of wrapping paper. Okay, that's the two prints I was kind of expecting. Let's take a look at the first one. This is from one of my favorite series by Kunichika. The series is 36 Modern Restaurants, and this print depicts Yojuro restaurant at Shintomicho. I love this series because it's a collaboration between the publisher, artist, and the popular restaurants of the time. So they are promoting both the restaurant and the artist. In this print, we can see the geisha on the balcony of the restaurant talking with the men outside. It's a slice of Tokyo life. Unfortunately, this print is trimmed all around and it's definitely faded. At least it's not backed. I'm trying to collect all 36 prints in the series, and since they don't come around very often, I bought this one despite the quality issues. Okay, now let's look at the next print. This print makes me sad because it's in such poor condition, much worse than I thought it would be. This is a print by Utagawa Hirokage, and he was a pupil of Hiroshige from 1860 to 1861. And Hirokage designed a series of prints titled Edo Meisho Dokezu Kushi, or Joyful Events in Famous Places in Edo. And the title of this print is Asakusa Ouma Yagashi. And Hirokage specialized in humorous prints, kind of the Mad magazine of the woodblock artists. And what made his work even more interesting is he parodied, just like Mad magazine does, original prints from Hokusai and Hiroshige. So this print shows two workmen, one standing on a scaffold applying plaster to a wall, and the other has fallen slapstick style into the tray of plaster. Now check out the print that Hirokage was making fun of. This is a print by Hokusai, and it's called Fuji with a Scaffold, and it was published about 1842. Okay, so this is why I'm disappointed. Check out this first print on the left. This is a museum quality version of the print with beautiful color. The next print is the print that I saw in the eBay listing. Faded, but not too bad, right? And the third print is the one I actually got. Much darker. Let's have a look at the back. It's a mess. It was backed at one time with newspaper and then someone tried to remove it. So not a very successful unboxing today, I'm afraid. It's a good thing these were relatively low cost. There you have it, two new old prints for my collection. I have some more prints coming soon to show you, so please like and subscribe. Happy collecting!